How to factory reset the ECOVACS DEEBOT vacuum robot. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can do this easily. So in order to reset your ECOVACS DEEBOT, you need to follow these instructions. First of all, you need to open the device's cover and put the switch in the I position. Then you need to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. You will hear a voice prompt following by startup music indicating that the robot is restored to its default setting. Now, if you don't know how to maintain your robot's vacuum after a reset, then you just have to keep in mind these instructions. Robotic vacuum cleaners are devised to provide user a hand-free cleaning experience, but you should check and clean your device regularly to ensure that it works properly, especially after you reset it. So here are some of the tips to maintain your appliance after a reset. First of all, you need to remove the dirt, debris, and fluff from the wheels once a week. Wipe the sensors with a cloth so that the device can navigate properly once a week. Clear the brushes of tangled hair once a week. Wash the filter every 1 or into 2 weeks. Empty the dust bags and bins in the base station of a self-emptying robot vacuum every 30 to 60 days. Change the consumable parts like mop pads, filters, and brushes when they get worn out. Check that the device docks properly in its base station so that it charges correctly. You need to ensure that you have the latest version of the application for your device. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.